Sometimes you may need to sort data in Excel in a specific but non-standard format. For example, our headquarters is in Sydney, Australia, in our APAC region. So when I need to sort things regionally, I like to have the APAC region sorted first, but this doesn't fit a typical alphabetical sort option. Today's tip is a quick way to create a custom list and then use that for sorting into a specific sequence. To create a custom list, type your list into a column in Excel and then select the list. Choose File, Options, Advanced. Near the bottom of the screen, in a section called General, you'll find the option to edit custom lists. In the Custom Lists dialog, choose Import. You will now see our custom sequence displayed. Now, when I want to sort my data, I can go to Custom Sort and in the Order options, find my custom list. This custom list is now available for use even in other workbooks from your computer.